Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to prove that air occupies space through the use of an experiment. Topic: air occupies space. Materials used: a bucket, water and a plastic bottle. Observations and procedures. To show that air occupies space, I took an empty glass bottle and pushed it in an inverted position into the water kept in a bucket. I noticed that the water did not enter the bottle. When I tilted the bottle slightly, air bubbles started escaping from the bottle and water entered inside the bottle. This demonstrated that air was occupying space inside the bottle. When the bottle was tilted, air escaped out of the bottle in the form of bubbles, and water replaced the space occupied by it. Learning outcome. This experiment taught me a valuable lesson. Air occupies space. When I placed a bottle in water upside down, no water entered until I tilted it. This showed me that air fills up the bottle, proving it takes up space.